What's up guys, it's GeeksCorner here. Today I'm going to show you how you can install the Apple Watch beta onto your Apple Watch using your iPhone. And you're going to need to go to the link that we're going to put in the description below, and there you can install the beta profile ready to go ahead to get the beta. Now I do need to warn you that because obviously it is a beta, problems can happen, and at the moment you are unable to restore your Apple Watch to a previous version of watchOS without actually going into the Apple Store and having your watch sent off. But this one will give you access to the developer beta, so if you do want to go ahead, it is currently on beta 6, and to be honest it is pretty stable at the moment. So first off, you're going to click on the link in the description below, and then that's going to take you into Safari to this web page. We're going to click on iOS 11 beta, and we're going to scroll all the way down to watchOS 4 beta. You're going to click go, and it's going to give you this profile. So you're going to click allow. You're going to choose other devices and then Apple Watch, and then you're going to click install. Now it's going to ask you for your passcode, and I'm not going to input that one because I've already got this installed on my device. It's then going to ask you to restart your Apple Watch. Now you hit restart, and it is going to take some time for your Apple Watch to restart, so don't panic, it will restart for you. And then you're going to go back into your watch settings, general, and then you're going to click software update. It's then going to check for the update, and as you can see then it's going to display the watchOS 4.3 developer beta, and it's obviously 6 at the moment. That may change with the time you see this video, and there you can click to install the update. And obviously your Apple Watch does need to be at least 50% and recommended to be on charge. But that's how you install the developer beta on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.